A new age of learning educational videos takes center stage. The internet has revolutionized how we learn. Gone are the days of dusty textbooks and monotonous lectures. Today, educational videos bring learning to life, making knowledge accessible and engaging for everyone. Platforms like Crash Course, Khan Academy, and Kurzgesagt are leading this revolution, each with its unique approach to captivating and educating audiences worldwide. These platforms offer valuable lessons for anyone looking to create engaging and effective educational content. Traditional education often struggles to hold the attention of today's digital natives. Educational videos, however, offer a dynamic and captivating alternative. By combining visuals, sound and storytelling, they transform learning into an immersive experience. Whether you're a student seeking help with a challenging subject or a lifelong learner exploring new interests, these platforms provide a wealth of knowledge at your fingertips. Crash Course, Khan Academy and Kurzgesagt exemplify the power of educational videos. They demonstrate how creative storytelling, clear explanations and high-quality production can make even the most complex topics accessible and engaging. By analyzing their unique approaches, we can uncover valuable insights for anyone seeking to create impactful educational content in the digital age. These platforms are not just changing how we learn, they are democratizing education, making knowledge accessible to anyone with an internet connection. As we delve deeper into the world of educational videos, we'll explore the key elements that make these platforms so successful and discover how these insights can be applied to create captivating educational content for a global audience. Crash Course, the brainchild of brothers John and Hank Green, stands out for its mission to make education fun and accessible. Targeting primarily high school and college students, Crash Course covers a vast range of subjects from history and literature to biology and computer science. What sets Crash Course apart is its unique content style, fast-paced, humorous and visually engaging. The videos often feature a rapid-fire delivery of information interspersed with witty jokes, pop culture references and relatable examples. This approach, while not suitable for everyone, has proven incredibly effective in capturing the attention of a generation accustomed to the fast-paced nature of internet content. Moreover, Crash Course's commitment to accessibility is evident in its free-to-watch model, making education readily available to anyone with an internet connection. Despite its strengths, Crash Course has its limitations. The rapid-fire delivery, while engaging for some, can be overwhelming for learners who prefer a slower pace or require more time to process information. Additionally, the breadth of subjects covered sometimes comes at the expense of depth, with some topics receiving a more superficial treatment than others. Despite these limitations, Crash Course remains a powerhouse in the educational video landscape. Its success highlights the importance of humor, visual engagement, and accessibility in creating educational content that resonates with today's learners. By embracing these elements, creators can make learning a more enjoyable and effective experience. Khan Academy, founded by Salman Khan, takes a different approach to online education, focusing on personalized learning experiences tailored to individual needs and learning goals. Targeting a broad audience from kindergarten through 12th grade students to adult learners, Khan Academy offers a comprehensive library of instructional videos covering a wide range of subjects, primarily in STEM fields. Unlike Crash Course's fast-paced and humorous style, Khan Academy prioritizes clarity and conciseness in its videos. The videos typically feature a virtual blackboard where concepts are explained step by step, often using simple illustrations and animations. This approach ensures that learners can easily follow along and comprehend even the most challenging concepts. One of Khan Academy's greatest strengths is its personalized learning paths. Through a system of practice exercises, quizzes, and personalized dashboards, learners can progress at their own pace, focusing on areas where they need the most support. This mastery-based learning system ensures that learners fully grasp each concept before moving on to the next, fostering a deeper understanding of the subject matter. While Khan Academy's focus on clarity and personalized learning is commendable, its reliance on a more traditional instructional approach can sometimes feel less engaging compared to the more visually driven platforms like Crash Course or Kurzgesagt. However, its commitment to providing a free, world-class education to anyone, anywhere, makes it an invaluable resource for learners of all ages and backgrounds. Section 4, Kurzgesagt, Exploring the Universe in a Nutshell. Kurzgesagt, in a nutshell, a German animation studio stands out for its visually stunning and thought-provoking approach to explaining complex topics in science, technology, philosophy, and more. Targeting a general audience with a thirst for knowledge and a fascination with the universe, Kurzgesagt's videos are characterized by their distinctive visual style, engaging narration, and ability to make complex ideas accessible to a wide audience. Kurzgesagt's videos are instantly recognizable for their signature animation style, a minimalist, flat design aesthetic with bold colors, smooth animations, and captivating transitions. This visually appealing style, coupled with the channel's knack for crafting compelling narratives, makes learning an immersive and enjoyable experience. Whether exploring the vastness of space, the intricacies of the human brain, or the complexities of artificial intelligence, Kurzgesagt presents information in a way that is both informative and awe-inspiring. One of Kurzgesagt's key strengths is its ability to break down complex topics into easily digestible chunks, using clear language and relatable analogies. The channel's dedication to scientific accuracy ensures that viewers receive reliable information, while its optimistic, nihilistic perspective offers a unique and thought-provoking lens through which to view the world. While Kurzgesagt's oversimplification of complex issues is sometimes criticized, the channel's ability to spark curiosity and make learning engaging is undeniable. Its success highlights the importance of visual storytelling, narrative engagement, and a commitment to accuracy in creating educational content that resonates with a global audience. Section 5. The Power of Visual Storytelling, Engaging the Modern Learner. In the age of information overload, capturing and maintaining audience attention is paramount, especially when it comes to education. Visual storytelling has emerged as a powerful tool for engaging the modern learner, and all three platforms, Crash Course, Khan Academy, and Kurzgesagt, leverage this approach to great effect. Visual storytelling goes beyond simply using visuals to illustrate concepts. It's about crafting a narrative that captivates the viewer, making them feel like they are part of the learning journey. Crash Course achieves this through its fast-paced editing, humorous animations, and engaging hosts who directly address the viewer. Khan Academy, while more minimalist in its approach, utilizes its virtual blackboard effectively, guiding viewers through problem-solving processes in a clear and concise manner. Kurzgesagt, on the other hand, excels in creating awe-inspiring visuals that transport viewers to distant galaxies, microscopic worlds, or the inner workings of the human mind. The key to effective visual storytelling lies in understanding your target audience and tailoring your visuals accordingly. For a younger audience, or those seeking a more light-hearted learning experience, humor, bright colors, and relatable characters can be highly effective. For a more mature audience, or those seeking in-depth knowledge, a more sophisticated visual language, incorporating data visualizations, diagrams, and realistic animations, might be more appropriate. Regardless of the specific approach, the goal remains the same: to create a visually engaging experience that complements the educational content, making learning more enjoyable, memorable, and impactful. By embracing the power of visual storytelling, creators can transform educational videos from passive viewing experiences into active learning adventures.